I got a special unboxing for you, hence the blue lights. Now, if you are interested in the full review of this product we're gonna be taking a look at today, I will have the review out the following week. So let's do this together here. Let's pop this open. My first time. Okay, it's jimmied in there pretty good. Here we go. Little bubble wrap. There we go. The Pulse Elite headset from Sony. Now, I'm not allowed to review this yet, hence the reason we're just doing an unboxing, but if you are not familiar with this headset that Sony has been working on, it was announced a little while ago and also in line with Sony or PlayStation acquiring Audeze headphones, which y'all know I absolutely love. So this is Sony's first iteration with Audeze using planar magnetic drivers. If you peel it on the bottom, this is kind of interesting. Okay, so my peel skills. Try to say that 5 times fast. That's pretty tough. We're just gonna go on and use our shank and slice that bad boy open right here. And then I guess it's supposed to, there we go. Then it just comes right out like so. I totally forgot to show you guys the packaging itself. So as you see, this is the outside, tells you which platforms it's able on. Here is the side, PS5, PC, and Mac. PlayStation Link, mobile, and with Bluetooth over here. Taking a look at the back of the box. Let me pull that up so you guys can see. Again, planar magnetic drivers, PlayStation Link. This is gonna be pretty cool with the PlayStation Portal. Bluetooth, it says play on up to 20 hours of battery life back here. And then you can see all the other goodies over there. Back to our unboxing. And again, you can see right up here, you got your manual set right there. It looks pretty simplistic. Your built-in mic and everything. We'll go on and pull that off. Bam, right over here. We have our dongle, as you can see the dongle right there, and then to the headset. Oof, we'll get to that. We got to unpackage that. What else is in here? Okay, let's get that out. Okay, so you got another manual, I believe. Oh no, this is for the stand, but there is something hidden in here. We have our cable, USB A to C. Then this is actually that mount I was just talking about. Right there, so you can see, where's that other bit? This is so you can mount it to something, bam, set it right there. Your USB can go right down here into the bottom, and then you just set the headset right on there and charge it. That is super cool. But now, let's get to the good part. The headset here, popping these bad boys off. Okay, you got some foam down here. Oh, it's actually arrows telling you which way to pull the foam as I pulled it the opposite way. Kind of like, why would they put arrows there? Well, for someone like me, right? Before we take a look at this, they said I can talk about how they feel. So let me try this. Okay, I don't want to go. All right, I'm gonna watch what I say so I don't get in trouble here. But I'm gonna say they are very, very cozy. But let's at least get a good look over of the headset here. As you see, really nice, sleek design. Love that built-in microphone, adjustable headband up here. Right up here is that charging thing that I talked about. With this stand, you can just take it and set it right on there and it charges. That is so stinking cool. Anyways, going more around, looking at the headset, you can see here, all right. Back on the bottom, you see all of our ports, your volume controls. You actually got the USB-C down there, 3.5, your mic over there and everything. Super cool and convenient how everything is placed. Yo, take a look at how the headband adjusts. It's just on those little tension springs in there and it'll adjust right to your head shape so you don't have that pressure. Ah, that is so awesome. Yo, take a look at this too. I didn't even spot this when I was just looking over the headset. The microphone is actually in here, and then when you pull it out, it retracts out and locks in that position. So whenever it's in like this, you truly can't see anything. Again, I was so tricked. I didn't know the microphone. I just thought it was like there, right? Like this was it coming out. But no, it actually retracts out here. And same with that headband. That kind of tricked me. I didn't notice that right there. I'm kind of wondering like, what else am I missing on this? And I got to stop myself here because I just want to continue talking details about this headset. But again, I'm just allowed to do the unboxing and let you know how it feels. If you want that detailed review, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell because that will be coming next week. I'll be testing this on the PlayStation 5, the PC, and the PlayStation Portal. So again, if you want that deep dive, being a big Audeze fan and seeing how planners are over here in Sony, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell because we're going to cover every detail of this headset. I'm super excited. Hope you guys are too, and I hope I see you there. Bye now.